Hello everybody, take my salam, assalamu alaikum, and I share the new experience. I ruminate you or new experience for gather. You read the student. Beyond then, you could the new experience. That is why we are student. You should read the student. Beyond, you can do the new experience. So I have done the study in my student. So I think pragmatic life is most important for everyone. So your skill, if you are increase, you must be read the student. So you you are not upset and depressed, abandoned, then you should your skill gather now. So everyone, I hope my new experience I statement in front of my audience.